My name is Dr. Manoj Kumar, applied for the post of the Professor in Operations and Supply Chain Management. Today, I am going to speak about project life cycle from the subject Project Management of BBA code BBA 302 and MBA 3 MS 201. This subject is taught in the BBA 302 code number this and the code discipline this, lecture 4 and credits 4, in MBA MS 210 led lecture 4 and credits 4. Project is a set of interrelated tasks to be executed over a fixed period and within certain cost and other limitations. Project life cycle is a series of the stages through which the something such as a project or individual, cultural or manufacture passes during its lifetime. Phase is a particular stage in a process or in a gradual development of the something. These are the different type of the projects are there: aerospace and defense project, business and organizational change project, communication system project, event project, facilities project, information system project, incremental development project, media and entertainment project, product service development, research and development. This is the project life cycle: definition, planning, execution and delivery. And the definition is the goal, specification, task and responsibility. In planning, schedule, budgets, resources, risk and staffing is there. In execution, status reports, changes, quality, forecast. In the delivery, train customers, transfer documents, release resources, reassign staffs and lesson learned. Two types of the high-tech life cycle models are there: predictive and adaptive. In predictive, waterfall, prototyping, rapid application development, incremental build and spiral. In adaptive software development, STEAM programming and securing. Productive life cycle model: waterfall, linear ordering phases, sequential or overlapping, no phases repeated. In prototyping, functional requirements and physical design spaces and generated simultaneously based on a evolving prototype that is not thrown away. Predictive life cycle model: incremental build, decomposition of large development effort into a succession of similar components will be done there. In spiral, repetition of the same set of the life cycle phases such as a plan, develop, build and evaluate until development is complete. Adaptive life cycle model: mission driven, component based, iterative cycle, time box cycle, risk driven, change tolerant. Teams of the developers, managers and users, programming done in pairs, iterative process, collective code ownership. In Securum, similar to above, adapted models with iterations called sprints that typically last 30 days, define functionality to be made in each sprint, active management to roll throughout. These are the IEA standard 2007 life cycle process and roles. We shows a very top level primary supporting and organizational cycle process standard. Simplified projected life cycle model software. This shows the recognition and need, education of SRG, spend implementation. This shows waterfall life cycle model, requirements, design, CAD and unit, test, operation and maintenance. This shows incremental life cycle model. This shows incremental waterfall development model, requirements, design, coding and unit test, system test integration, operation and maintenance. This shows evolutionary life cycle software, requirement build, when build increment, requirement build 2. This is a spiral model of development of the software. A spiral shape is there, cost, cumulative cost is there, risk analysis is there, design is there, code is there. This is a NASA project life cycle model. Design start, requirement definition, design development, manufacturing, test and checkout, operation and launch. Improvement the PLCM, how the improvement in the PLCM can be done. Document the integrated project life cycle model. Document and describe the PLCM, re-engineer the integrated process, apply system thinking and TOC, implement the improvement, repeat these steps as required. Re-engineer the PLCM, identify system constraints, gap and weakness, relate poor results to the constant and identify the benefits of the removal. Look for the speed bumps, accelerator, redesign the PLCM to remove the constant. Conclusions are the number one, project category are important based on end results based way. Subcategory also needed. Further classification within category and subcategory needed. Number two, project life cycle model must be designed for each subcategory. Define and interrelated phases. Identify delivery of each these. Define and relate decision point. Number three, project life cycle management. PLCM must be well defined for each project category, subcategory. Enable application of system thinking to improve the process. Number four, two types of the life cycle models are used for high technology project, predictive and adaptive, with several variations within each of these. Section depends on the key environmental factors affecting the project. Systematic improvement of PLCM is achieved through re-engineering of the total system, application of TOC. Such improvement must be a major project management goal in every organization. Thank you.